Alright guys, and I found my first chase of last year. This is a Monster High Clawdeen Wolf, guys. And there's a story I have on this. Here's the back. Well, I'll tell you guys. Name: Clawdeen Wolf, truck type character, strength, clawsome, power, crash attack, moon howler, Monster High Clawdeen Wolf, right there. And there's a funny story about this. I actually wasn't gonna grab it when I went to Walmart. That's where I found this one, at Walmart. I was not gonna grab it whatsoever, but I was looking at the monster trucks, right? How they have them hanging. I was like, skim through it. All of a sudden I look, I see this, and I just freaking snag it like that. I almost passed on the chase piece, but I'm happy that I grabbed it for my collection, which is nice. So what we'll do, let's unbox this one, see what this looks like in person. Nice one. Put the light on it, you guys can see it. So here's this Clawdeen Wolf, guys. The red line is a chase, so you know that. Monster High, Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, the treasure hunt logo. It's also on the packet as well. Right there, the little golden flame. So this one's really nice, and this one has eyes, which is cool, and you can see it. The nose and the whiskers look nice. The fangs look cool. The little fur and the ear detail. The claws and the tongue, which is nice. Like a lavender, light purple roll cage, a dark purple chassis. Like silver, goldish beadlocks, purple rims. It says Clawdeen Wolf back here. So that's all I found for you guys, but I'm happy that I grabbed this one because I almost passed on it. Guys, that's all my unboxings I have for you. Like, subscribe, comment, share guys more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope y'all enjoyed.